Okay, so here we are in Anaplan, and what I'm wanting to do is to basically set up a new version and then get some data into that new version. Now, that's a scenario that everyone is going to be familiar with. It's a completely standard process to think, right, I want to do some what if analysis or whatever, so I want to put another version in there and go from there. What's also then going to need to happen is obviously get some data into that version. Now, this is, as I said, it's a common thing, so whatever application you're using, you're going to come across that scenario. But I've got to say, of all the different apps that I've seen, Anaplan really is impressive in this regard. It's so easy and quick to do it. I've got a basic expenses model here, so I'm looking at travel and subsistence costs. If I go into settings, you've got your various options there down the side that you can see, and there's versions. Now, when I set the model up, I just went for actual and planned. So let's just imagine I want to insert a new one, and we'll call this version 1. Pop that in there, and what I want to do is get some data into that version. So if we go now and have a look at travel and subsistence costs, that's going to load. Version 1 is there, so even just adding the version is so quick and easy, but obviously there's no data in there. So if we go back into our settings, you can see you've got bulk copy. I'm going to select that. I'm going to say let's take from actual, pop that into version 1. So it's going to say it's going to copy all data from actual to version 1. That's obviously going to overwrite anything existing. It's just checking that I'm okay with that. Yes, I'm okay to proceed. It's telling me how many cells it's copied. Let's go and have a look. There you go. So I've got 5, 4 1s, that's coming up to half year of 15. Let's just check that back. Exactly the same, and that took literally no time. It really is an impressive feature of the software.